The History of Vicon Industries. Since 1967, Vicon has been a leading provider of mission-critical security surveillance systems. Vicon Industries was founded on Long Island in 1967 by Donald Horn. As a founding company in the industry, Vicon developed many of the early CCTV innovations. Early CCTV technology innovations included video switchers, quad splitters, and motorized lens controls. Vicon designed and built all products in-house. As the use of video search began to expand, more products were needed. The market expanded quickly in the late 70s. Remote positioning devices and controls became a primary focus for the company. In the early 80s, various controls were combined into single control units. Camera technology and larger switching systems were the latest innovations the engineers developed. Continued expansion led to multiple moves in the 80s. Market segmentation and speculation drove new solutions unique to each segment. As the market matured, Vicon began to shift their focus to system solutions rather than individual products. During Vicon's 25th anniversary, we saw the first change in leadership since the company started. Engineered solutions continued with larger switches and control solutions. At the peak of analog CCTV, Vicon was providing solutions for the largest and most complex systems worldwide. As we moved out of the 90s, the market began the primitive steps in the transition from analog to digital. Initially designed as control software for Vicon's revolutionary collector DVRs, Viconet became the company's primary digital offering for VMS as well. The market for fast and accurate PTZ domes quickly expanded, and Vicon offered both analog and one of the very first IP PTZ domes. These products were a major piece of the business. The company's first website was launched. Analog sales began to decline rapidly in the mid to late 2000s more and more. Viconet, DVRs, and IP solutions took over the business. In the digital space, the demand for digital software features became paramount and new releases came out every year. With increasing demand for IP cameras, Vicon acquired IQ and Vision to expand its IP offering. With a focus on developing solutions that are simple to deploy and use, Vicon introduces Valeris in 2017. As an expansion of its focus on solutions and simplification, Vicon also introduced VAX, a highly integrated access control solution. We are proud to be a long-term leader and supporter of the security industry. Today, Vicon continues to focus on simple solutions for a complex world. Our new technologies include H.265 cameras, HD analog encoders, advanced access control, and Valeris VMS. The H.265 camera line offers improved video quality with less storage and bandwidth. Our new website provides users with a cleaner design, improved navigation, and a more engaging experience. The successful launch of Valeris has provided the need in the industries for simplification. Valeris has already deployed in hundreds of high-end facilities. Schools, healthcare, government and municipalities, safe cities, and across all market segments. Our brochures convey our simplified go-to-market strategy. For the design community, our tools and support are available right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining us.